We were fire in a crowded room, two wild hearts beneath the moon, laughing loud with reckless dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Some nights burn like summer rain, some words left a trace of pain, but every crack and every scar only showed us who we are. There were miles we thought we'd never cross, moments hanging on the edge of loss. Still somehow our hands remained, holding on through joy and strain. Through every storm we grew together, walking roads that changed forever. Tears and laughter side by side, like the turning of the tide. Every chapter, every fight led us closer to the light. Love was never smooth or easy, but we stayed when life got heavy. And after all the highs and lows, you're still the place my heart calls home. We have danced through silent days, built our hope in different ways, learned that love is not perfection. It is patience, trust, protection. Time can bend and people change, yet your voice still sounds the same, like a lighthouse in the dark, guiding me back to your heart. There were dreams that fell apart at night, bills to pay and endless fights, but beneath the weight we knew there was still a me and you. Through every storm we grew together, walking roads that changed forever. Tears and laughter side by side, like the turning of the tide. Every chapter, every fight led us closer to the light. Love was never smooth or easy, but we stayed when life got heavy. And after all the highs and lows, you're still the place my heart calls home. One day when our hair turns gray and youth has slowly slipped away, we will sit beside the years, smiling through the joy and tears. 'Cause the beauty of our story wasn't perfect love and glory, it was choosing every day not to